Hello all, welcome to the OK Chess, where every move counts. What if I told you you could checkmate your opponent in just 7 moves and they never see it coming? So today we are diving into the 250-year-old trap pulled off by the brilliant legal day Kermior. It still fool the player today, beginner and intermediate player. So white start with the e4, black plays e5, knight f3, black plays knight c6, white plays bishop c4, d6, knight c3, bishop g4, pinning this knight. So white plays h3. So here the base move for the black is to just move back or take this knight. Move back to the square e6 and d7. Or instead of this, take this knight. So let's suppose black plays the h5. Then find out the best move here. Just pause the video and find the best move. Yeah. So best move here is knight e5. Let's take e5. So what? Let's suppose the black is the greedy and the bishop takes d1. Then here checkmate is coming. Bishop takes f7. There is only one forcing move. Is king's e7. Then knight d5 checkmate. So how black can prevent this checkmate? So instead of being greedy, uh, just take this knight on e5, and then white will take the black bishop on h5, take the c4 bishop, then white will give the check, black will play c6, then white will take the c4. So yeah, at this position white have an advantage. Black have two pieces. These are not in the game. So here white having the advantage. So yeah, that's the legal trap. Thank you everyone.